Hi there. So what I'm going to show you how to do right now is how to copy and paste your homeroom students into this blank spreadsheet. So what I'll do is I'm going to provide you this link right here. You don't want to click on it. What you want to do is you actually want to copy and paste this. And I'm going to come over here, open up a new window, and I'm going to paste it and hit enter. This is what we call the old view of Connexus. And so if you notice, this probably looks a lot different than the screen you see currently. What I like to do is I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to find the one that says homeroom, and I want my homeroom. So homeroom, high school east, spray, and then I'm going to hit search. So this right here is a list of all of my homeroom students. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to copy and paste all of this information. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to do just match destination formatting. So once I do this, I'm going to click on column B. I'm going to right click this and delete it because all I need is the student IDs and their names. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight my students, and I highlight these. I'm going to copy this right here, and I'm going to come over to my blank spreadsheet. And when I get here, I'm just going to hit paste. So this right here will copy and paste everything in here. So if you notice, my first student is Jenna. So what I can do is if I click on student overview, it should pull this student up, which it did. Same thing here. I can click on log and it's automatically going to pull the log up for this student. So this right here is the easiest way to copy and paste your homeroom students' names and IDs into this spreadsheet. If you notice, when I did this, it got rid of my lines. So one thing you can do here is if you just click on this top left corner, and I want to hit the one right here that says borders, and I want all borders. That way it puts the borders back in here for me. But that is, like I said, the easiest way to copy and paste your homeroom students into this form. And just real quick to show you what all these different links are. So this first one is the student overview. So this goes over all of the household information, everything with the student. The next one is the log. This third one is the student mobile number. When you're doing a welcome call, one thing I always do is I'm going to go to the log and see if, for my student, if there's a mobile number. And there is here. And since there is one there, I don't need to update anything here. But when I'm on welcome call, if I notice there's not a student cell phone number, you can always click on student mobile phone and you can input it here. Just make sure that you have permission from the family. When I'm doing welcome calls, there's really only two windows that I have up. I have my log open, and then the one right here that says SSUT. This is the startup task. So if you look here, this is everything that you'll want to go over with the family when you're doing that startup task. But if you have any questions on copying or pasting any of this information, please let me know and I can help you. Thanks, guys.